Hello listeners, I am Hari Prasad, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, GDC Cherial, which is located in Siddipet district. Today I'd like to discuss unit cell, unit cell concept, which is a part in solid state. So first we'll see what exactly the definition and parameters of unit cell, and later this is what unit cell. Here we'll discuss that unit cell content, and if possible in later sessions we'll discuss packing fraction, voids, number of atoms, that is called unit cell content. Unit cell content, but in solid state this is called a unit cell. It's a concept most important. According to it only one can understand what exactly the crystal structure. Yes, now going to the definition unit cell. Here we go. Yes, a portion of a three-dimensional cubic lattice and its unit cell. See the portion of three-dimensional unit cell. Three-dimensional unit cell. So definition, we can say that a smallest portion of unit cell, a smallest part of crystal, simply part of crystal, which gives entire crystal structure, on repetition. On repetition it gives entire crystal structure is called unit cell. That is called unit cell. Very good. Next, to understand in a better way, one should know the parameters of unit cell. There are parameters. It is like sides, sides of a cube, or sides of a cuboid, like sides of cuboid A, B, C, and angle. Angle between the sides. We call it as alpha, beta, gamma. See here, this is the one. This is the one. So it is the A, parameter A. No, it is B. Parameter A is this one, and parameter C is this one. So we can say it is C, it is C, it is C. It is B, it is B, and this is B. So it is A. So A. So this is A. This is A. This is A. Similarly, this is. So it is B. So it is B. It is B. Next C. This is C, and this is also C. This is also C, and this one also C. They are the parameters, simple side parameters. Next, angle between them. So the one which is opposite to the A, it is called alpha, or between the parameter B and C, it is called alpha. We take it as alpha. We have to fix it opposite to A, and next to beta, and next to gamma. Beta is opposite to the axis or side B, and gamma is opposite to the side C. We are considering, and we have to follow accordingly. Illustration of these are the parameters of unit cell. Next. So according to the parameters of unit cell, majorly the crystal systems are divided into 7 types. See cubic crystal system, next tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, rhombohedral or triclinic, trigonal, next hexagonal. Here see the parameters. A is equal to B is equal to C. Next, here also A equal to B is not equal to C. Here A is not equal to B is not equal to C. See, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90. So orthorhombic can I call matchbox example. Matchbox is box is best example for this. Best example. So likewise we can easily call example simple cube. It is simple cube is best example. Simple cube is best example. It is simple cuboid. I can say it is simple cuboid. Not cuboid because A is equal to B. Part of simple part of cuboid. I can call it as cuboid. So it is matchbox is also called cuboid. Okay. Where A is not equal to B is not okay. Y not equal to C, but alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Monoclinic. Here we go. Alpha A equal to B equal to C. Here alpha equal to gamma equal to 90, but not equal to gamma, not equal to beta, which is 90. A equal to B, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, but alpha equal to is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 here. So by varying A comma B comma C and the relations, okay, alpha comma beta gamma, we have got 7 crystal. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth and 7 crystal systems. One can easily remember. See, the first one and last but one are same parameters A, okay, side parameters, and the second one and last one is same, so rest are different. Okay, one can easily remember this one. So first one and last but one, second one and last one are same, and the parameters, side parameters. See, first three parameters